How to disassemble recycled reels. First, gather your tools. You will need 1 to 1.5 inch putty knife or standard flathead screwdriver. Step 1. Insert tool under the lip of the flange beside the core lock point. Step 2. Lift or press down on the tool to raise the flange over the core lock point and turn counterclockwise. Step 3. After the top flange is removed, turn the reel over and repeat steps 1 and 2 to remove the bottom flange. Please note, you can repeat these steps for any size reel. Shipping options. Option 1. Reels are detached and shipped in one box. Option 2. Reels are detached and sent on 2 separate pallets. Thank you for participating in the Danfoss Reel Recycle program.